Ever struggled to get your roast or poultry perfectly cooked without cutting into it and losing those precious juices? The CDN IRM190 Ovenproof meat thermometer promises to change that. With a temperature range from 130 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, 54 to 88 degrees Celsius, it delivers precise readings that help you nail your cooking every time. Whether you're using a conventional oven, microwave, grill, rotisserie, or smoker. I've used the IRM190 for everything from big holiday roasts to weeknight chicken dinners. What stands out is its rugged design, a 1.75-inch dial protected by a tough laboratory glass lens and a 5-inch stainless steel stem that slides easily into meat without tearing or draining the juices. Unlike digital thermometers that can't go in the oven, this one stays put while your food cooks, giving you real-time accuracy without the hassle of pulling your dish out repeatedly. One feature I appreciate is the boil test field calibration, which ensures you're always getting a trustworthy reading. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and backed by a 5-year limited warranty, so you know it's built to last. The IRM190 isn't just for pros. It's designed for anyone who wants reliable, straightforward results without fuss. If you're tired of guessing and want to cook with confidence, this thermometer is worth a look. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference in your kitchen, cutting down on guesswork and helping you serve juicy, perfectly cooked meals every time. Try it when you're ready to take the stress out of cooking and enjoy consistent results.